Wow. Happy Monday, everybody. It's the only it's the one and only James Rule XRP. I'm getting tongue twisted there. I've already had my coffee. But yesterday I was out on the ranch with the family. I was with Dad and uncles, and we were putting up gates, to keep the cows and calves and everybody separated and all that good stuff on the farm. Last night I updated my MacBook to Tahoe 26.4, hoping it would fix the sound issues I've been having since Tahoe came out. But anyway, I'm using the DJI Mic 3s for my recordings on YouTube until they get all that figured out. But so anyway, yesterday evening, if you didn't know, I bought a new drone. I bought a DJI Mini 5 Pro drone that flies around. It takes beautiful photos and photography and screen recordings. And yesterday we fed the calves about midday, and they didn't realize the feed was in the barn until later on. So I'm flying around the pasture looking for them, and I found them, and I also found the barn cat. Check out this little clip right here.
I'm going to try not to scare them. And I'm going to watch out for these little tree branches. I'm going to come down a little bit in altitude.
And this drone is tiny.
I'm going to point it towards the barn.
I didn't see the cat there at first.
Let's see if I can get a good picture of them. They're probably like, what is that noise?
The cat's like,
what is that noise? We're trying to eat, and you're bothering me. Let me zoom in a little bit. There they are. They are munching out. I knew I would find them. Hello.
Now, real quick, the beeping noise you hear, you see the golden circle around. That is obstacle avoidance. And anytime I get close to like trees or a fence or something, it'll start beeping on the remote, and that's what you're hearing right there. So let's go ahead and watch. Let's go ahead and look at the little calves.
Oh, little cows. Let's zoom one more time. How are y'all doing? Are y'all enjoying yourselves? Are you enjoying that feed? Hello, little guys or little gals. These are all heifers. So in about a year or so, they'll be ready to pop out more calves. So as you can see right here, they are fighting for the food. They are always kicking each other and saying, hey, this is my food. This is our food. Leave me alone. So the little boogers are having a good time. I'm going to fly back, and I'm going to get out of their way. Here's a cat. Here's one of the born cats. Hey, little kitty, what are you doing, buddy? Little curious kitty. Little curious kitty is like, what is that little buzzing thing right there? What is that? Hey, kitty. That's what I love about the zoom on this camera.
Yes, that gets me excited. I'm flying this little drone around. Hopefully the birds and the cats won't attack it because it's tiny. I mean, that cat could probably jump up and grab it, but I had a really good time filming this yesterday, as you could tell.
Hey, kitty cat. You can't hear me because it's over in the other pasture, but pretty cool.
But anyway, this is the little things in life, and that DJI Mini 5 Pro. It's around a $1,200 drone, but it has a professional camera. It has a great battery life. I'm not affiliated with DJI, but I've been flying their drones since 2011. And they come in handy when you on oil well sites, on farms, when you're looking for cows in the pastures, even for emergencies, for police officers, for different kinds of things. These little drones come in handy for those kind of things. So anyway, let's go ahead and continue. If you have not followed me on X, do so at RuleXRP, and make sure that you only reply to me, and I have the blue check mark right there. Right there, James Rule XRP at RuleXRP. Okay, Caleb and Brown is my paid sponsor today. Caleb and Brown gives you a free one-on-one broker. There are no monthly fees. There are trading fees. There is high liquidity. So if you have your XRP or your cash or your XRP, you can withdraw either if you want to. Whenever it gets up to millions upon millions of dollars, there is going to be liquidity available for you to withdraw. There's institutional grade custody. There is an app that you download after you set up your account. And the neat thing about the app is that you can contact your broker around the clock. Say if I have $1,000 sitting in Caleb and Brown and I want to buy XRP, bam, I'll get on the app, contact Jake. Jake, go ahead and buy me $1,000 worth of XRP right now. Within 5 minutes, I get a verification, a notification. Hey, your buy has gone through. Congratulations. Check it out, Caleb and Brown. It's free to sign up. They hold your hand. They show you, teach you, and tell you everything you need to know about crypto at Caleb and Brown. All right, total crypto numbers, $2.4 trillion. Bitcoin's at 67. Ethereum's around 2,000. XRP's around $1.35. Not a lot of price action going on. A lot of neutrality. You know, the fear and greed index, everybody's like blah right now. You know, okay, let's get the latest and greatest news. Get me excited about my crypto bags. What's going on? What's going on? Everybody's like blah, blah, blah. Well, I want to thank Crypto Express for sending me this badass XRP Army t-shirt. Crypto Express is on X at CryptoExpress_1. They have crypto swag, XRP Army, XRP, all the above. Thank you so much for sending that to me. I'm going to be wearing it proudly, and I will probably wear it under my sport jacket when I go to XRP Las Vegas. So thank you very much. Here we go. Cointelegraph comes out with an article, and Walmart's backed OnePay adds tokens and push to serve new crypto customers. And in this article here, they mention that there's a dozen new cryptos, but they do not say XRP. They do not say XRP. Why are these news sources so afraid to say that XRP is in the mix? XRP is the most efficient blockchain. It was built to be a better Bitcoin. Yes, the Bitcoiners hate it. The Ethereum people hate it because it is a more efficient ecosystem. But in this article here, it says that the latest list of tokens available on the WeChat Wannabe includes Polygon, Arbitrum, and Solana as the banking app looks to align offers with customers' use. OnePay, which is a majority owned by Walmart, has added more than a dozen crypto tokens to its offerings. And then they're going to meet the high bar of banking app customers, and you go through and there's no XRP mentioned, no XRP, no XRP. Well, I did my research. I went down and broke it down, and I said, surely XRP is on the list. And when I looked at the list and actually tore into it, I actually signed up for a OnePay account. I actually got $5 in free XRP for signing up on the app. And here is the list: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, Doge, Cardano, ADA, Bitcoin Cash, Chainlink, Pax Gold, Shiba Inu, Polkadot, and Uniswap. And yes, they are all included in OnePay. And I went in, and in OnePay, what you do, you scan to pay at the register at Walmart. You scan the QR code, and you can pay with OnePay, or you can attach a card. So what did I do? I attached my Uphold Visa debit card. And whenever I spend my crypto from my Uphold Visa debit card through OnePay at Walmart, I get XRP back for using my Uphold card. So it all meshes together, people. It all meshes together. And also, Zero Hash is tied in with OnePay. Ripple USD is tied in with OnePay. And they're all tied into Walmart. So do your research and get excited about the future. So I posted and then BlackRock is hiring a managing director of digital assets in New York City, offering up to $350,000 base pay to lead its crypto and tokenization strategy. So they need somebody, and they need to pay them $350,000 a year to lead its crypto and tokenization strategy. Is what they're doing now not working good? What's up, Larry Fink? Y'all can't figure it out yet? Brad Garlinghouse was interviewed on Maria's show on, I want to say, Fox Business. And he made a comment after that interview, said it was great to join FISCA, which is the Global nonprofit foundation driven by data with the investment arm and one agenda: impact on humanity, AI and robotics, education, healthcare, and sustainability, the FII Institute. And Maria Bartiromo, who has the Mornings with Maria show on Fox Business this week to discuss the crypto landscape. We've seen a shift in the perception of the industry from rat poison to pet rock to rewiring the financial system. Fast forward to today, and some of the biggest companies around the world are asking, are we using stable coins and digital assets? Ripple strategically focused our deal making outside the echo chamber to bridge the gap between traditional finance and the crypto ecosystem, and those bets are paying off, people. Behind closed doors, some amazing things are happening. And before I go, I always like to dream build. I always like to say, okay, we're going to go to a car dealership. We're going to go to a huge car dealership, an expensive car dealership, look at an expensive car, an expensive truck, an expensive whatever. Well, I like to go through Christie's Real Estate. And here's some real estate in Costa Rica. And this is set on 148 acres of riverfront land at Nasora. The private estates features multiple residences and sweeping ocean and jungle views. And I want to show you some of the views we have right here at this listing. And I'm going to click on it and I'm going to go through it. And I want you to see this pool that winds around the bottom of this residence in the mountains. And there's another home over here with a pool. And if we go to the next one, this is a drone view or helicopter view. I guess this is the property. Overhead view. I see a pickleball court down there on the property. I see roads going around the property, jungle love, building pad, villas. I don't know if all this is included in the one sale of the real estate. Look at this. Look how clean this is. Could you see yourself laying over here in the hot tub, or maybe laying in the hammock, or maybe chilling out with your besties over here, or wherever or whatever, all around this residence here, and just chilling out in this, it looks like a infinity pool that goes over the edge there. And if we go to the next shot, yes, it is an infinity pool. Here it is at night. Beautiful. And we're going to keep going, people, because we're dream building. We're having a good night. I could see myself here. I can picture myself here with a dozen other people just going, yeah, they laughed at us for years. They called it a shit coin. They said all these tokens that we were investing in were shit coins. And now, I'm going to say, well, you know what? I have a big I told you so plastered across the mountain right there in front of the place. Wow. This just looks so comfortable. So much fun. Look at the views. There's 79 pictures here. I'm not going to go through all of them. Oh, man, look at this. This is outside. This is inside. Wow, look at that. And the big open, it looks like the doors or the windows just slide right open so you get the outside coming in. Oh, beautiful, beautiful residence. Look at this. Outside, people. Outside, people. There's a shower right there. Outside, outside, outside. Wow. I'll leave a link to this below so you can just scan through it all and drool through it just like I'm doing right now. Let's see. Let's get some more photos. Wow, look at the outdoor kitchen, the pizzeria. Wow. The palm trees. Oh, man, look at that view. The infinity pool with the chair. And just some incredible shots of this place. But anyway, I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to let you dream build as well, because I love dream building, because I live so frugally now, and I'm blessed because everything I have is paid for. And I look out the window and I see the little calves laying there enjoying the day, and I see the squirrels coming up eating the peanuts I leave for them. And it's the little things that get me excited, just living by my means, not having to have the latest and greatest. But, in the future, I'm going to be able to do crazy things and spend a little bit of money on some crazy things. But right now, I'm waiting for the rest of the world to catch up. I'm trying to teach the rest of the world what I do, to be patient, to enjoy the fruits of your labor, to see family, to visit family, to stay in touch with family. because we're going to have so many incredible things here in the very near future. It's going to be amazing, and I'm going to be glad to be there with you. So have a good day. James Roy, XRP, is out of here. Happy Monday, and we'll talk to you soon. And don't forget, people, I told you so.